Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on getting started with als-simple-css. Today, I'll guide you through the process of installing this tool, setting up syntax highlighting, and showing you how to create and watch your CSS builds using node.js. Let's dive in. First, let's install the package. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the following command. This command will download and install the als-simple-css package from npm, making it available for use in your projects. Next, we need to enhance our coding environment with syntax highlighting for our CSS. This step requires installing a plugin in your IDE, such as Visual Studio Code. Go to the Extensions Marketplace and search for the Simple CSS Syntax extension, then click Install. This will help you easily identify and work with the special syntax used by als-simple-css. Now, let's create a JavaScript file to build our CSS. This script defines a simple style and writes the resulting CSS to a file named styles.css. To compile our CSS, save the file and run it through node.js by typing this in your terminal, node-build.js. For development, you might want to watch your files for changes and automatically rebuild the CSS. You can achieve this by using the node.js watch flag. Here's how you can do it: node watch build. And that's it. You now know how to set up and use als-simple-css to streamline your CSS development. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on more useful guides like this one. Don't hesitate to comment below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!